That's badass. Have you played with it much?
Learning it, basically.
You're in the right spot. It's just slick. You can try to get over this way, but that's it. I can't run up that same way. Right here. I got down the bounce. No, this one's just flat. That one's got to go up and over that rock. I mean, not horrible. That one's got it's about a third of the way up the tire. If your back come this way, would be helpful. Try to high. You're bumping the dip a little bit. I mean, it'll go over it. It's practice up. Right there, give it some.
Oh, sorry, dude. I'm sorry.
Make sure you put a saddle on, please. Right there, passenger. Yep, right like that. Right there. Right, you're going first. Just like now you're in the hole. You right there? Yeah, come to here, right after you. It's slippery. How's the slippery cut? I tell you what, back up, try come this way with the thrust. Get the thrust and higher to get off the wheel. Stop. Turn to me. Yeah. Right back faster. Yeah, right like that. Slide down to the hole with the front. Want me to pull it in? Good. Back up. I've never gone that way. You're thinking of backing up and going up down that way? Yeah, it's really easy. That one's about to go in the hole. Well, if I go in the hole, I'm going out.
Landing.
You don't got far to go back, and then you're going to be against the rock back there. It's part of the problem. I go forward. You could go this way.